Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this morning. It is 5:19 and we are going to be making a Dutch baby for the first time. I've seen them on YouTube, I've seen them everywhere, but I've never actually made one. So we're going to try it and we're going to do it in the new Dragon skillet. And let me get stuff mixed up and we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, got all the ingredients in here. Now I've just got to do a lot of whisking. I don't know why I've never done one of these. I mean, they don't look like they're hard to make, and they do look pretty cool in the pictures and videos of them like shooting up huge. It's kind of like the Yorkshire pudding that we did for the Lodge Challenge. So I'm going to take and mix this all up. We're waiting for the oven to preheat. Once it gets up to temperature, we'll get them going. Alright guys, got it all whipped together. Let it sit and rest while the oven gets up to temperature, and then while this is all cooking, getting ready, we can figure out what we're going to put on top of it. Alright guys, it says in the recipe to go around the edge of the pan with the butter and then let it melt in there. Once it gets melted, we'll take and pour our batter in, and then we'll go back in the oven for about 15 minutes or so, and then we'll look at it because they say 15 minutes to 20 minutes, so we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, she's in there. I'm going to take and put this in the oven, and we'll put the timer at 15. It's at 425, so we will see how it turns out. Alright guys, looks like she's ready to come out of the oven. I'll take it over here and we'll put the toppings on it. Alright guys, the Dragon did really good. Came out clean. Got a lot of butter floating in this thing. It's already starting to fall, so I'm going to take and get the toppings on, and then we'll look and see what it looks like then.